How to set up two-factor authentication on all of your social media accounts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can set up two-factor authentication or 2FA on all of your social media accounts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the thing here is you cannot do it all at once. You'll have to go through each and every social media one by one. So for this video, I'll show you guys an example on Facebook. So locate the Facebook app or any other social media. The path is normally or generally same. Open up your social media, in this case Facebook, and make sure you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you can then head over to your top right corner on the menu option. Head over to menu on any other social media account, then head over to settings. Heading over to settings is the main goal here. If you don't have a menu, you can just skip and head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, on Facebook, you'll have to go to Meta Account Center. So after you head over to Meta's Account Center, which if you don't have in any other social media, you don't have to go there. All you have to go through is password and security. So you'll find the account settings on your settings of every social media. Then you'll see password and security or anything similar. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll find the two-factor authentication right there. So simply tap on two-factor authentication and choose your account, which is only in this case. And after you do that, enter out your password. After you're there, you'll find multiple options for two-factor authentication. You can either use an authentication app such as your Microsoft Authenticator or Google's Authenticator. You can also choose SMS or WhatsApp, which if you do that, you will be getting a code on your mobile number or on your WhatsApp as an SMS, and you can log in using that. Or you can also use security keys such as a USB, Bluetooth, or NFC security key. So select whichever you want and then tap on the next button. Now, depending on whichever you want, you will then have to go through all the security options and follow the prompts. And after you've done that, you'll have set up your two-factor authentication on your social media account. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. And that is all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.